Subtraction for kindergarten. Let us learn first the meaning of subtraction. Subtraction is an arithmetic operation that represents the operation of removing objects from a collection. The result of a subtraction is called a difference. Subtraction is signified by the minus sign. Let's answer this. 4 minus 2 equals, this is the minus sign. It indicates that this is a subtraction. Let's answer this. 4 minus 2 equals, we will make 4 sticks here. 4 sticks, and then we will take away the 2 sticks by crossing it. 1, 2. 2 sticks were taken away, so 2 sticks were left. The answer is 4 minus 2 equals 2. Let's answer this. 2 minus 1 equals, we will make sticks again. Let's answer this. 2 minus 1 equals, we will make 2 sticks, and then we will take away 1 stick, and then 1 stick was left. The difference is 1. 2 minus 1 equals 1. Let's answer this. 5 minus 3 equals, to make us easy, we 5 sticks. 5 minus 3 equals, from 5 sticks, we will take away the 3 sticks. We will cross it. 1, 2, 3. And then, 2 sticks were left. The answer is 2. 5 minus 3 equals 2. Now, can you answer this? 6 minus 2 equals, the answer is 6 minus 2 equals 4. Now, can you answer this? 7 minus 2 equals, the answer is 7 minus 2 equals 5. Now, can you answer this? 8 minus 0 equals, the answer is 8 minus 0 equals Now, can you answer this? 5 minus 5 equals the answer is 5 minus 5 equals 0. Now, can you answer this? 10 minus 5 equals the answer is 10 minus 5 equals 5. Now, can you answer this? 9 minus 5 equals 'The answer is 9 minus 5 equals 4. Now, can you answer this? 10 minus 9 equals the answer is 10 minus 9 equals 1. Thank you for watching.